again, welcome back with a new video of our channel. Here I am your host Mr. Jaliang is going to...
Welcome to Delhi!
This is not a Delhi! Delhi's metro station! कुछ बोलना है? Coming for this program, money waste, time waste, energy waste, food waste, everything waste.
Wait, let me tell you something.
Okay.
Yes, sir. This is too noisy. Nah. Just kidding. Just kidding, bro.
Hey, this is not a kidding guy. Come, if you want to say anything, come, just say.
What was it? Oh, live or what?
No, this is not a live, so if you want to say anything, just say. About this program. Say. Say. Say.
I'm so ugly, man. Why me?
Come on, come on.
No.
Come on.
Nothing to say.
You're
Say
ready
hi,
to be the-
everything.
Oh. So go on.
I'm good.
Go on.
No, you know me. I'm Simon. I'm so handsome here, man. Why, man?
Done. Hello friend, right now we're going to enter Lodi Garden at you just... I thought Lodi is only in Haflong, okay? Haflong rin na Lodi Rambam, Lodi, Haflong, hebe Lodi Rambam inge. Ay Lodi Garden nila ini. Takay luya peluya iba tak. I can't imagine, yeah. Here is a mine and Teranggar of the Garden. Hi, hello. Yeah, this is me.
Hello, guys.
Like this. Hello guys, once again welcome back.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. We almost missed this building. This may be a historical. Come on, let's run. Let's run to save our life. Yeah. तो दिल्ली पे क्या चाहिए? गर्लफ्रेंड ना क्या रहा? गर्लफ्रेंड चाहिए ना? सिंगल सही नहीं है सिंगल. अरे यार हर कॉर्नर जाकर देखो. पानर ही है. मुझे भी पानर चाहिए. अरे यार मैं तो सिर्फ भगवान जी ने आदम ऑफ इफ बनाया ना तो मुझे भी अरे यार इफ चाहिए मुझे भी सिर्फ आदम से दुनिया नहीं चलेगा. This garden look very beautiful if there is no girl. Yeah, this garden is empty. Okay bro, you may kindly visit this place. This is wonderful and amazing. Yes, here you can see. This is the one. Yeah, this look very beauty, and even here it look very beauty. And even the butterflies, even the butterflies are here. Butterflies, I mean girls. We accept them as a butterflies. Wow. Huh?
Yeah.
Let me give some info about this house. This is a British house, which is made by me. I don't know. Okay, I don't have any knowledge about this house, but it looks very old, older than me. Yeah. Garden. It is our first time to visit here in Delhi city. So please, bro, can you briefly tell us about this Lodi Garden?
No, I don't know about this, man, bro. But it is located in New Delhi.
Yes.
It area is about 90 acres, I think.
Okay.
I don't know. I'm not sure. Okay.
Okay,
But
you're not
I
sure.
saw like that once. I come across this in.
And hello. Videography कर रहा है ना photography कर रहा है? Videography कर रहा है क्या? ये लड़की को Where are you from? Bro, where are you from?
I'm from the capital city of India.
You are from capital city of India. अगर दिल्ली पार्क पे जाना है तो गार्डन पे जाना है तो गर्लफ्रेंड दिल्ली पे रहना ज़रूरी है भाई. मुझे गर्लफ्रेंड ढूंढ के दे दो. गर्लफ्रेंड चाहिए मुझे गर्लफ्रेंड चाहिए दिल्ली के रहने वाला लोग के लिए ये वीडियो बनाई है. Sorry, that's a joke. It is a part of joke. Just do it again, bro. Come on, let's go, buddy. Come on, buddy. Oh yeah.
I throw my phone.
Okay. Wait. Sacrifice. इस नज़ारा को दिखाना है क्या मैं? इस नज़ारा, इस सीनरी को हर दुनिया को मैं दिखा देना चाहता हूँ. इस तरफ दिखा दीजिए भाई. क्या है ये तो? अरे यार, what a lovely. What a dialogue. Why here is me? Where is Mr. Festo? Without me, God cannot be made. Okay? Okay, friend. This is my first time to drive Yulu vehicle. I don't know whether I may be fall in the middle of the road. I need to gear, otherwise I may die. Okay, deal.
They don't allow as well. I mean, like you have to go. There may be some limited.
So
It's too far for India Gate.
then where should we keep this vehicle?
When will it come?
Bro, but we will meet up in India Gate, okay?
Okay.
We'll stop somewhere, wherever it ends, and then we're gonna go there. Yeah. Sir.
Oi, contact me na. ये कौन सा जगह है पता है? पता है? Yes. Finally we are here in India Gate. Okay. One. पीछे पीछे the sun is about to go down. So we feel लाल करके आ रहा है ना. अगर हम लोग ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा वो फ्लैश लाइट देख के कैमरा खींचेगा तो बैटरी लास्टिंग नहीं होता है. इसलिए ना आज हम लोग आया है इंडिया गेट पे. बैटरी सेव करना सही है, नहीं तो हम लोग पूरा ब्लॉक कर नहीं पाएगा. वही है ना भाई. Yo. Yes, this is the India Gate. We are driving, so we may know where. Finally, right, khatam. Yeah, we enjoy a lot, man.
How was your ride, bro?
Very nice, very good, enjoyable, man. Hi, yaar.
सनसेट हो रहा है, बहुत बढ़िया.
बहुत बढ़िया. We visited Parliament, India Gate.
Parliament also.
Yes. Nice.
Now there will be a good ice cream inside.
But we don't went inside, na? This is not a Norris, okay? We should not have fun. We should not have a big job. Otherwise, somebody might kill and give a slap. So be careful wherever you go, wherever you are. बांधते रहे ना है ब्लॉक करो. डायलॉग दो लेकिन सोच समझ के, ठीक है? फिर से ये है इंडिया गेट. आ गया इंडिया गेट. इसके लिए तो निकला है ना भाई. हम लोग पेट में कुछ नहीं ना खाना के लिए होटल ढूंढ रहा है भाई. मिलता नहीं है. ये तेरा मुझसे इसका वजह से हम लोग अल्लाह खराब है क्या? वाओ बाइक भी क्या है, सेक्सी है रे. बाइक लवली बाइक. फोटोग्राफर
बहुत बढ़िया है ना. भेज दो WhatsApp
में भेज दो. ओए डिलीट इट राइट नाउ. डिलीट इट.
30 रुपए भेजो. WhatsApp में भेज दो.
ब्रो आज वेलकम है क्या? हमने तो मेरे वेलकम दिन है ना. वेलकम दिन है ब्रो क्या? Inside the garden there is a lot of a business guy. So we should be careful of it. We need to stay away from them. Otherwise we may in the lost position.
Okay.
So be careful wherever you go, okay? So thank you. Thank you.
मेरा फोटो स्टूडियो में आ जा.
फोन में देंगे.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, bro. Thank you. They are asking for photography. So my reply will be thank you. हेलो दोस्तों, यहाँ से हम लोग का आज का कहानी और आज का ब्लॉग समाप्त करता है. सो हमेशा सेफ रहना, खुश रहना. See you again in the next video.